Hey, great day to you. I'd love to share with you my Helium 10 free courses on Udemy. So check out my instructor page down in the description. I've been selling on Amazon since 2016 and I'm still actively selling. And here's my page on Udemy. Over 20 courses, everything is free for you. There are many courses that show you how to use Helium 10, but also other tools for Amazon sellers. So over 30,000 students, let's go. Thank you very much. Over 1,370 reviews. Thank you for reviewing my stuff, even if it's a good or bad review. Also in the description, you have free account, free trial of Helium 10 with the best discounts. So again, you have my instructor profile, or if you go to Udemy and type in Helium 10 and click on free, you're going to see all my free courses. So we're going to have courses that show you how to use all the tools of Helium 10 or specific tools such as Cerebro for keyword research and product research or the Chrome extension. We also have product research, pricing plans review, listing optimization course, which has over 455 reviews, 4.8. So I do recommend you checking it all out in the description. Of course, you can just kind of go and find my profile or just click Helium 10 on Udemy, type in Helium 10, click on free, you're going to find my courses, or type in Google Vova Evan, that's my name, great to meet you, and then add to that Udemy, you're going to find my profile. So enjoy all my Helium 10 courses, it's all free for you, enjoy, and of course don't forget the Helium 10 free trial, free account with the best discounts in the description for you. Let's go, thank you for watching.